Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tovia and welcome to the Sugary Sweet. Do you want to find out how easy it is to make this brown sugar using your stand mixer? Then stick around. Sugar. Very easy, and I'm going to be doing this in my Geek Chef 2.6 stand mixer. So I'm going to put in my regular sugar, and I'm using unprocessed sugar. This is regular granulated sugar. Then I'm going to add molasses. I'm using regular full flavored molasses. And believe it or not, that's all brown sugar is. It's just these two ingredients. So we're going to mix it together. And we're just going to mix it until it's fully incorporated. So we're just going to turn it off the machine and check it. See how brown it is. So I want this to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to add more molasses. So the darker you need the brown your sugar to be, the more molasses you'll add. So there's not really any specific measurements, so I'm eyeballing. I'm going to put my splash guard on, and I'm going to let it go. I'm going to stop the machine and check it. And the best thing I love about this machine is I find myself not really having to scrape the bowl down because of its design. It seems to get everything perfectly. So I'm checking the size. You see there's nothing's been left behind. Everything is perfectly scraped. Which I've made lots of cakes and things in this. And it comes out perfect every time. And see guys, you have perfect See, now you have perfect brown sugar for baking. Please share this video, add it to a playlist, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you aren't, and hit the bell to be notified of my new uploads. The new schedule is coming very soon. Thank you all so much for watching The Sugary Sweet, where we're making the world a little bit sweeter.